Okay, let's get cooking, guys. Look at her. Ooh, it's going down. Yes. I made some incredible sauce stew. And it looks like, yeah, we're gonna have it. Looks like it's ready. I should test it probably. Ooh, very ready. Wow. This was good steak today. And as well, some white bright rice. I think I made one of my favorite meals today. Yep. I usually go for cassava or yuca, and sometimes chapati and stew. And other times I just eat whatever, beans. Okay, look at that. Let's have some. I'll let you know how it tastes like. I rarely eat rice, but I like it some days. Is that too much rice? Maybe. But I think I've not eaten well. I have a very irregular eating pattern. And let's try this. Look at the stew. I think this is my favorite I've made this time around this year. Baby, looks good. If you want some nice beef, I just fried mine and then I put onions and just some tomatoes, salt and curry powder. Looks good to me. It's enough for now. I got a good part today of the beef. So we're gonna try it, and what I usually say is bon appetit. I don't have a fork. I'm gonna try with a spoon. Rare case for me, but I'll do it. Bon appetit. Amasala. Checho zana algabudde. Bon appetit. You know what? I'll stick to my cooking. It is so good today. You hear that? That's good beef right there. Amen.